Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. We are clearly in no makeup and that's because we're talking skincare today. So we're going to be going over my morning skincare routine. This is what I do every single morning. This is what's really helped my skin become into a normal state. I used to be very dry on the East Coast when I lived over there, and I was dry my whole life, especially around my nose. I've still been a little bit dry around my nose lately because there's been a lot of like wildfires. It's been super dry in LA and the air is just like super polluted here. This has really helped me. I hope I can help you guys on, getting some new products. I feel like for skincare, for the most part, I try and keep things pretty natural. I don't really like to use highly fragranced products because I find they just irritate my skin. So I like to keep it pretty clean when it comes to my skincare. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, so I know to do my nighttime skincare routine so you can kind of get the whole idea on how I take care of my skin. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do a voiceover over the video just because it's raining right now. It never rains here and people are just driving crazy. There's like tires screeching and the rain has been like on and off really loud. So hey guys, are you ready to go step by step through my morning skincare routine? We're gonna do this together. So first things first, I actually did this in the shower, and that is my cleanser. And the cleanser that I've been using is by Derma. It's their hydrating cleanser with hyaluronic acid. I love how this lathers up and it leaves my skin feeling really clean and very hydrated. I've been using the Pixi Peel and Polish every other day for about 5 months, and I've noticed a significant change in the texture of my skin. It's super radiant and smooth after I use it, and how I use it is I buff it all over my skin for 30 seconds, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then wash it off. I have been using Bioderma for years, and I am obsessed. I like to go in with this after just to get rid of any excess makeup that maybe didn't come off in the shower and that was stuck in my eyelashes or something like that. It's really gentle, doesn't burn your eyes, and it's so effective. Really leaves my skin feeling extra clean and not dried out. To help with premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles, I like to go in with a serum. This is by Derma. It's their hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid. I really like this one. It leaves my skin feeling really plump and hydrated after. These do switch out for me, but I have been really enjoying this one. And you can probably see I like to push my serums into the skin. I just find it's a little bit more effective. Under eyes can typically be very dry, and this Confidence in an Eye Cream by It Cosmetics is amazing. It's probably my favorite eye cream ever. This you want to just pat along the orbital bone. You don't want to put it right up under your eye because eye creams are like ice cream. They spread when they kind of melt into the skin, so remember that. I've told you guys a million times how much I love the Confidence in a Cream by It Cosmetics, so the Confidence in an Eye Cream does not disappoint. It's hydrating, it reduces puffiness, and it's anti-aging. I love this Nourishing Cream by Skinfix, and Skinfix is another natural skincare line. This has rice protein, jojoba oil, and aloe leaf extract. Before I apply the moisturizer to my skin, I like to drop a couple drops of my 100% pure certified organic cold pressed argan oil into it before I massage it in. Just adds a little bit of extra hydration, and you guys know I swear by argan oil. It has truly changed my skin, the elasticity, and the hydration levels of it. I have been using argan oil on my skin for years. It's not going to clog your pores or make you break out. It's truly life-changing. I've shown this on my channel before, but it is the greatest lip balm of all time. It's by Malin and Goetz. I don't know how you say it, but that's how I say it, and it's their lip moisturizer. It's so good. This is a little extra step that I've done for a long time. I like to use a facial mist after, just to help lock in all of the moisturizers. So I'm going with the Pixi one today. This is their Vitamin Wake Up Mist. It smells like oranges, and it's just so refreshing. Alright guys, so that is it for my morning skincare routine. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and also let me know if maybe you learned something cool or you can't wait to try out a new product. These are products, like I said, that I truly love and swear by, and they just do so much good for my skin. And if I can help one of you out with getting your skin into a normal state, that's what matters to me. I'm more than happy to share my tips and tricks with you. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up if you like skincare videos, and also let me know if you do want to see an updated nighttime skincare routine. It's a little bit different than this variation, but my morning skincare routine, definitely my most important. I can never skip it or my skin and makeup will look no good all day long, so this is what keeps it looking good and feeling good. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Don't
Bye.
ask for too much, you're busy, I get it, but with me or with it, I miss you, girl.